Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Bandung Sukmato Pribadiar. I am from Politeknik Negeri Bandung. And now here I would love to talk about how does filter bubble and echo chamber impact the Generation Z worldview. So first of all, I want to talk about how like filter bubble and echo chamber were popularized by Google and Yahoo in 2009. But the term of filter bubble itself was invented by Ali Parisier in his book called The Filter Bubble: What the Internet is Hiding from Us. Where in this book, Parisier explained that how internet works, how internet search engine and their algorithm allow user to receive information that confirms their prior beliefs. The echo chamber is an enclosed space in which people only hear opinion of a one type or opinion that are similar to their own. Meanwhile, filter bubble refers to a situation where a user is only exposed to the content that matches that user existing preference or history. Echo chamber can create misinformation and distort person perspective, making it difficult to consider an opposing point of view or discuss a complex topic. They are partly driven by a confirmation bias, so the tendency to favor information that are reinforce existing belief. Social media algorithm filter and display content that match your search history and interaction. And in this phenomenon, individual is exposed only to opinion that are consistent with the view that are already present. And then the filter bubble and echo chamber has become the underground problem for many years. One of the example is the Cambridge Analytica case, where private data of 50 million users of Facebook was used to sway election in United States. And then we're gonna talk about age has made it easier to access information and interact with the diverse communities through the social media. However, behind this technological sophistication lie a serious challenge that can impact our ability to think critical and creatively. A filter bubble and echo chamber are a phenomenon that occur in social media experience, and their effect require a deep understanding and critical skill. Firstly, the filter bubble effect an individual online ads, a social media newsfeed, and a web searches essentially insulate that individual from outside influence and reinforce what that individual already thinks. In this context, the word bubble is a synonym from isolation. Secondly, this phenomenon causes something that is called as a polarization, which can be defined as a process in which two entities, individual or groups of people, move toward opposite extreme of a continuum of a point of view or opinion. Filter bubble have raised a concern about the threat of polarization, a growing trend toward extreme views, and the spread of the fake news, and the potential impact of this change on a democracy. Thirdly, filter bubble can also lead to the spread of fake news or hoax. Filter bubbles replicate and make a suggestion based on content you already view, which can cause you to lose access to factual news. And last, this phenomenon also can lead to a spread of emotional or a biased image or a biased message, where like unlikely to be verified by some search outside the filter bubble. As a social media emerges as a major news search, a new consumption may shift from a fact-based news sources to emotionally charged, politically biased news, when a fake news infiltrates a political system. So, my conclusion is that the echo chamber and the filter bubble. Lalu. So the conclusion is that the effect of echo chamber and a filter bubble on social media can promote the spread of misleading information, fake news, and rumors. Uh, it usually harms people, society, or economy. It can lead to the narrow-minded thinking, and it also has the potential to increase a social or a political polarization and extremism, just like what Dr. Lisa McLean, MD, a scientist from Henry Ford Health, said that echo chamber. Fuck. So, so the conclusion is that the filter bubble and the echo chamber effect on social media can promote spread of misleading information, fake news, and rumors. It usually harms people, society, or economically. It can lead to the narrow-minded thinking, and it also has the potential to increase a social or political polarization or extremism, just like Dr. Lisa McLean, a psychiatrist from Henry Ford Health, said that echo chamber influence our decision and can even lead to a poor or wrong decision. And that's all from me. Thank you for attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.